Making your own chicken broth doesn't have to be a chore. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, easy recipe using a Chopper Rotisserie Chicken. All you do is chop your vegetables, and then you're going to throw them into a large pot along with a handful of parsley, salt, pepper, and your chicken carcasses. Then you're going to fill it with water just to cover the top of the carcasses. Bring that to a boil. Then you're going to reduce the heat and simmer on low for 4 to 6 hours. The wait is over. It smells amazing in here. All you have to do now is remove the large pieces and then use a strainer or sleeve to pour into a jar. This is some chicken and noodles in the making. I will see you next time with more Back to Basics.